Kind of a good combo. Someone told me long ago there's a calm before the storm, and I know it's been coming for some time.
When it's over, so